Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Microsoft 365 security alerts in Microsoft Defender, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Microsoft 365 account. Once logged in, navigate to the Microsoft 365 Defender portal. In the left-hand menu, select Alerts. You will see a list of current security alerts. To update alerts, choose the specific alert you want to modify. Click on the alert to view its details. In the Details pane, look for the Actions button. Click on Actions to reveal the available options. Select Update Alert Status from the drop-down menu. You can choose from options such as Resolved, In Progress, or Acknowledged. After selecting the appropriate status, provide any necessary comments for context. Once you have reviewed your changes, click the Update button. The alert will now be updated based on your selection. To verify the update, return to the Alerts list. Filter the alerts if necessary to find the one you just updated. Confirm that the status reflects your recent changes. If needed, repeat these steps for any additional alerts. It's essential to keep your alerts up to date for effective security management. Regular updates ensure that your security posture is accurately represented. Stay vigilant and proactive in monitoring your security alerts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.